Hello guys, if you're a book writer, don't skip this video. I want to show you how you can generate a book content that has potential to sell with just one click of a button. Yes, very easy to generate. Now, the first thing you want to do now is come to your browser and type in this YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Cloud. Once you type it in, it's going to bring an extension for you. So you click on it. As for me, I've already added it. If you are using Chrome, it's going to show add to Chrome. So all you just have to do is add it to your Chrome. But for me, I'm using a Brave browser, so it's going to bring Brave. Now, once you add it, you want to come here to this extension and pin it. Make sure you pin it. So once you pin it, it's going to appear here. Now, the next thing you want to do now is come to YouTube and search for any book that you want to write about. It can be self-help, it can be cookbook, it can be money-making book, whatever book you want to write. Just come to YouTube and search the title. As for me, I will be writing about dog food, so I will click on dog food. So it's going to search this dog food for me. Now let's see. Okay, once it's searched, now as you know that we can't just use any of this video like this because it might have a copyright, and you don't want to use anybody's copyright materials on your book. Amazon will definitely flag it. Amazon will flag it as they'll flag it and terminate your account, so you want to avoid it. Now, for you to avoid it, you want to come to this filter. Just click on this filter and click on Creative Commons. This will allow us to filter the videos that has copyright. So all these are videos that we can use in to generate our book. Now, this is where the magic starts. What you want to do now is you can search for a book, a video that has what you want to write and the views are okay. Now let's search for one here. Make sure the video you want to convert has enough views that people are already watching. Now let's see a video here. Let's search for a video here. I'm trying to look for a video that will be okay for this. Let's see. Okay, maybe we can let me just put this is a short video though, but let's just use it as an example. It has 4.6k views. This is a lot of views in just past 4 months. Now what you want to do now is you can even check the comments to see what people are saying about this video. This will serve as, this will make you go in depth and add more tweaks to your book so that it will be of more value. Now what you want to do now is click on it. Once you click on it, just pause the video. We are not playing it. Now can you see that our Chrome extension has appeared here? This transcript and summary, this is our Chrome extension. Now what you want to do now is click on these settings. After click on these settings, it's going to pop up and you will do some little tweaks in these settings. Now you come to this prompt. Just come to this prompt for summary and you will put the prompt that you want this extension to do for you. As for me, I will put, you need to this is the prompt I gave this. I said you will need to turn this video into a book chapter. Start with the title and introduction and write out the recipe name, ingredient and preparation method. and preparation method. Now this is what I prompted it. Let's see the magic that is going to give us. Now what you want to do now is just cancel it, and you want to come back to this video and refresh. Just refresh it. After refreshing, then you will come back to this extension, and you click on this you see this middle one that says summarize of video ChatGPT. Just click on it and make sure you already have your ChatGPT login. Make sure you already have it login so that it will do the magic. Now this is the script. Can you see the script? If you have a time, you can read it so that it will give you you understand what it's saying. But as for this tutorial, because I don't want it to be long, I will click on enter, and let's see the magic that this ChatGPT will give us. Now the title is how to make homemade dog food. This is our introduction. Welcome to how to make homemade dog food. Can you see that this is giving us a good introduction? Now the chapter 1, you see this is the ingredients, this is the preparation method. Can you see these are the name of the recipes? Can you see that this is mind-blowing, guys? Like you don't even have to stress yourself to be generating content one by one. This is a mind-blowing on how you can start writing your book right now without any stress. And if you follow the step I put, make sure the videos you are taking it has enough views and comments so that it will, because of this video, that video is not long. You see that it's only just 4 minutes. That's why it didn't generate more content. But as for you want to find a video that is long, maybe 10 minutes to 20 minutes long, so that it will have enough content when you generate the script. Now if this, I don't want this video to be long, so if you find any value in this video, guys, if you know it help you in any way, like I passed any value, please make sure you leave a comment, you subscribe, you turn on the notification bell, because I will be dropping more valuable videos for you on how to write books and how to make use of these AIs. So see you in the next video, guys.